Hi guys, so I'm here today with my latest Lookiero box. My name's Fawn, this is my channel and it's my happy place. I do lots of clothing hauls and shopping try-ons and home bits and pieces. If you like that kind of thing, please do give me a thumbs up, click subscribe and leave a comment. I'm not sure exactly what I look like at the moment. I should really have gone and touched up my makeup and all of that. But it is unbelievably hot here. And I've not long come back from taking my mum to the local little town where she wanted to get a few bits and pieces. And of course the high street, no air conditioning in the little shops around us. I mean, it was absolutely, I was corpsed. So I've come back, I'm filming this. I haven't even shut the windows, which I normally do. So sound quality will not be up to its perfect pitch that it normally is. I must invest in a microphone. I think it's probably the next thing. One of those clip-on-y ones or something, if I can figure them out. Anyway, Lookiero's here. It's been here for a few days. They've started to nag me to let them know whether I'm keeping things or not. So I thought, let's do it. Can I get any more sort of messy and windblown? No, I can't. But you know I love Lookiero. So Lookiero is £10 for a box. That is the styling fee. You get given a stylist, you answer lots and lots of questions, and then they send you 5 things in a box and it looks like that. If you buy something in the box, the £10 comes off the thing you bought. If you keep the whole box, they take 25%, I'm pretty sure it is, sorry I've got to fan myself a little bit, 25% off, and it can be a real steal. In the envelope then you have, here you go, oh, spread the word, £10, £10, a letter from your stylist, the bill, which I never look at, until the end anyway, and a card that has the items and how they suggest you could wear them and style them and put them together. Someone's actually asked me to do some sort of styling videos and how I wear some of the things that I buy. And I definitely think that's something I will do in the sort of autumn winter. Because to be honest with you, during the summer, like today, I've just got the little white cotton dress on that I got from Marks and Spencer's and a pair of sandals. There's not a lot of styling going on here, guys. I'm too hot, but I will do. So, as usual, I have the most amazing stylist called Zahara who totally got the hang of me. Hi Fawn. Well, let me begin with saying you look stunning in your last video, bless her. I've added Want It as a brand in the notes now, so I will size up if need be going forward, but the polka dot shirt did look fab with the vest top. It was a brand we'd never tried before, so... and then she tells me all about the things she chose. I'm not going to read all of that out to you because it'll give the game away, and I haven't actually seen, I don't know what's in here, which I love the opening up, and my first sight of it is your first sight of it, but it's from my lovely Zahara. So I've got 1, 2 bundles in the bag, and then in the box, and then you also get a postage paid bag. These go to a DPD drop-off. I've had some issues with that in the past, but my local Matalan takes them and they're very efficient. So some of the little local corner shops haven't been so efficient. Let's open the smaller bundle first, shall we? Here we go. Oh, straight away, there's a green that I like. What is it? Oh, it's a shirt, or blouse I should say. Keyhole on the back, got a little bit of a V, long, are they full length? I'm not sure if they're full length or 3/4 length sleeves. Loving the colour, I do love that colour. This is by Only Kamakoma, who I do like a lot, and it is a UK 18, so fingers crossed, because that looks like a real sort of staple for a wardrobe. Oh, and then there's a top, sort of somewhere between a t-shirt and a, you know, little sleeves. Is it short sleeves? I don't know if they're classed. Yeah, I think they're classed as short sleeves. Stripy. This is by a company called Tom Taylor. It's blue and navy and white. Very simple, but could look great on. Yeah, that's by Tom Taylor, and it's a XXL. This European sizing kills me. And think to yourself, I'm a triple XL, what? Okay, I like this. This I expect it won't fit now because I really like it. Manrata, it's a blouse. Can you see the pattern on that? I really, really like the pattern on that. That is, again, full long sleeves, I would guess. V-neck, button through, but it's this lovely sort of peachy, apricot-y colour with, I don't know if that's black or sort of dark grey, but I love it. Look, it's even got, can you see, a leopard's face. Love, 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 love. So that's by Manrata, and it's just a size triple XL. It's a good job I can laugh, ladies. Then, oh, again, this is very me. Closet by Low. Oh, no, that would be nice now. Now, the colours on this, it'll go through into the winter beautifully, but it's a lovely cut. I love the ladder stitch where the sleeves meet the shoulders. It's V-neck, it's a lovely dark green, and it's got sort of, I don't know, what would you call that? I'm not sure what you'd call that pattern. I'm hoping it'll come across if I keep moving it around. Oh, I really like that again. That's another one. So that's Closet by Low. And that one is a triple XL. And then last but not least is, oh, it's a dress. So I'll have to get some shorts out for trying my tops on. Okay. Oh yeah, this is definitely moving through into the winter, but it is a pretty dress. Now look at that. It's got pretty floaty sleeves. Little, oh, V-neck, well, you know, an open neck with ties on it. An elasticated waist, and it's quite long. I would call that, it's probably midi. I wouldn't say, is that maxi? Oh, it could even be maxi. Do like that. That will be great in the winter. It's fully lined. This is by a company called This Film's a Must. Never heard of them. Yep. And the size on this one is, I think it's a triple XL. Yes, I think that's a triple XL as well. That is really pretty for the autumn winter. Fabulous. Okay. Dig out my shorts. You're gonna have to forgive how sweaty and everything I look while I try these on. So we're starting off really, really well with this blue t-shirt. I was really tempted to try it. Now what I discovered when I went to put it on is it's got an elasticated waist. Now I generally don't like those, but I think it's helping this to hang quite nicely. It's slightly off the shoulder, so it gives a sleeve effect. I know it's high necked, but I really like it, especially with these jeans, I have to say, or jean shorts, I should say. It's really, really loose, lots of room, which is how I love it. Zahara knows I'm not one for clingy. I think that this is a really, really cute top, and I'm very happy with this. I wouldn't wear this blouse with these shorts, but as I say, it's too hot. I can't be bothered to go and change into them. I think this blouse would look great with cream linen trousers, but I've actually got quite a few skirts that this would go with. It's a very gentle V-neck, so it's, you know, beautifully modest. The fabric is fabulous. The sleeves, yeah, they're a 3/4 sleeve, which, as you know, I like. I think the fit on it is great. Really, really great, and it's a great colour. This is one of those colours that I just find work for me again and again and again. And yeah, it's cotton, it's breathable, it's lovely. And as I say, I've got 1 or 2 skirts that I know would look amazing with this. So once again, I love it. Guys, this is why I love Lookiero. I loved this blouse when it came out of the box. It's cotton. I adore the design. It's so, so different. Again, it's more of a 3/4 sleeve than a full length sleeve. The colours, the style, everything about this style is perfect for me. Again, I wouldn't wear it with my denim shorts. I've got a gazillion other things that this would go so beautifully with. But I've never seen anything like this in the shops. Certainly not at the moment anyway. Maybe, no, I've got to be honest, I haven't. So Lookiero, because it sources in Europe, all right, I have to swallow the fact that I'm a triple XL or a quadruple XL or whatever it is in those countries, because, you know, their sizing is different. I'm getting things that I won't find on the high street over here, couldn't find on the high street over here. So I love it. Let me turn round. I mean, this one's even looser than the last one. It's got a nice long bum flap. I don't know if I should call it that. What is it? A tail, but tail. It's got a nice long tail to the blouse. It's light, it's cotton, and I want to come in so you can get a really good look at this pattern. My face is going to sort of disappear, I hope. But look how pretty that pattern is. Sorry. I'm so hot, ladies. I mean, I love it. It's the third I love it, but this one I like extra specially love it. This is the first one that I'm not so sure about. I love it. I love the colours. I love the pattern. I love the fabric, but it's a bit close across the booblers. I'll turn around. It's going to show more on the back. I think that's where it shows that it's a bit close. It doesn't look too bad from the front. So with a top, a cardigan, a jacket, it's still going to work. I wish it was just that little bit bigger in the boobage. I've noticed this with European sizing. It's as if the ladies don't have very big boobs. And yet I'm sure they do. I'm really sure they do. But it just seems like they're a bit sparing with the fabric over the boobies. I really like it regardless. Obviously, I may look back at it on here and go, oh, fawn sausage in a skin, which is one of our big... My husband says that to me. He's as skinny can be, but he'll try something on it. He'll say to me, what do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Do I look like a sausage in a skin? And actually, it looks like a twiglet in a skin, but hey ho. I really like it, and if the dress, well, you know, I really like it. And to be fair, you know the blue and white spotty blouse that I got in last month, and I kept, and I was going to wear open. Of course, my daughter from New York came over, and my blue and white spotty shirt is now on the way to New York. Well, not on the way to New York, it's in New York, because she saw it and went, oh, I really like it, can I try it? Oh my God, it's fabulous. And it did fit better on her. She is smaller in the chesticles. She has a lot more bum. I have almost no bum, but she's smaller in the chesticles, and it looked fabulous on her. So that was great. So I don't have to feel guilty about it and think, oh, I should be doing something with that. So even if I never get my courage up, I'll bet you my daughter would have this off me as well. But I think I'm getting away with it, ladies. I think. You'll have to let me know. But again, not with the shorts. And finally, the dress. It's great. What can I say? It's great. Look at these sleeves, ladies. Covering the bit that I hate the most, but short. I think this little, can you see I've just tied the strings a little bit. It fits nicely over here. It isn't maxi, but it's almost maxi. Can you see? I hope you can see. I keep saying it because I can't see in the image of me. I think it fits quite well. I mean, it's showing my lumps and bumps. I have lumps and bumps. We all know that now. You're used to that by now. I have lumps and bumps and I'm proud of them. It took a lot of effort to get lumps and bumps like these. I think that this is really great. I think even though it's got this pink and so on, I do feel that this is a great autumn into winter dress, and then spring moving into summer dress. It's that sort of mid-range. I could even wear this in the winter with long sleeves underneath if I wanted to, but a great jacket over the top and a pair of boots, and I think this is great. But equally, bare feet like I've got today because of the heat, it's still working. So there we go, that's the 5 pieces. Let's go and do the recap. Oh, look at me. Oh God, I might as well just give up. I mean, the hair has got frizzier and frizzier as the day has gone on. I washed it this morning and I used a new shampoo. It's called Nexus, I think it is. Nexus shampoo and conditioner from Boots. Trialing it. Made my hair very soft, but it's also gone very, very frizzy. But then underneath here, it's wet. I'm so hot. I'm just absolutely, I can only apologise, ladies. This is me in the raw. Right. Glasses on so I can see the prices. I was really happy with that, guys, but I'll give you the prices and then we'll work out what I'm going to do. So first up is the Tom Taylor, sort of somewhere between a t-shirt and a top. I really liked this. Obviously, all of this now will be with the proviso because I haven't seen the footage. I can only go on what I saw in the mirror, and I liked it. Really, really easy wear. Would go with 101 things. Great with jeans in the winter with a denim jacket over the top. I mean, I think it's fab. It's Tom Taylor. It's called Stripes T-shirt texture in blue light. It was in the XXL and it's £23, which I think is not bad. Next is the only Karmakoma pale green cotton blouse. Again, really liked this. This is a sort of a workhorse piece for me. This is the sort that gets thrown on with all manner of things, but I've actually got a couple of skirts that have got this colour in them that I think would work really well with. I think it's good for me in that it's cottony and it's lightweight, so that even in the autumn, I mean, I still have the most horrific flushes, so that's quite sort of breathable. So I liked it. I'm hoping you guys like it too. So this is the Karmakoma. They call it the Carjudia shirt. Again, XXL in green light, and it's £26. See, that's so good. That is so good. I think it's staying. Let me go to the Maranta. Now I want to see more by Maranta, please, Zahara, because I think this is fabulous. This really got me excited. I love it. I just think the pattern on this is great. The cotton is great. The fit of this one in particular, very, very good. Very, very kind. I mean, a XXL is a UK 18. Which is what I am, so it's just, you know, ladies, don't be upset when you see XXL or quadruple XL. Okay, so this is by Maranta. It's called the Tiger Shirt Print in khaki, they're calling it. £40 and 90p. Now, normally I'd pull a face at £40 for a blouse. For this blouse, I won't pull a face at it. I'm delighted. It's staying. Now we get to the only top that was just a bit... It's a booby issue with this one. So this is Closet by Low. I do have other things from Closet by Low, I'm sure I do. Just that fraction over the boobs. So if there is a 4XL, which is a size 20, if it's Closet by Low, that's where we need to go, Zahara. But I do still like it. This is £35 and 90p. Would I pay that? Yes, I would. £35.90? Yes, I would. Fabric's great. Pattern is subtle, but it's there. And I think the little sleeves with the ladder, yeah, I like it. And last but not least is the dress. Now, the dress is by This Film's a Must. I mean, I just have never heard of them. This is called the Nala dress in dark blue. Oh, actually, this is a 4XL. So the others were 3XLs. This one's a 4XL. I'm glad she did now. Now I realise. In dark blue, this is £52.90. Again, it's great. It is a really nice dress. So the full total came to £178.70 for everything she put in there. Then they take the £10 off that I've already paid, so that's £168.70. They then take a 25% discount off of £42.18. If I want to keep this lot, it's £126.52 for 5 items. £126. So it's £25 an item basically, and I think this might be another 5 for 5, you know, ladies. Obviously, I'm going to check back on here and see what you've got to say. But, you know, the only question mark is on the tightness of this top. Everything else, I love it, and I can see it working. Maybe with a slightly smaller, you know, tighter bra. And maybe it was just me that was self-conscious about it, because it is lovely. So I think that Zahara, yet again, has done a 5 for 5, £126.52, and yeah, I love what she chose for me. So there we go. If you haven't tried Lookiero, do try Lookiero, and if you can, ask for Zahara. She's fabulous. Yeah, fabulous. Okay guys, bye.